When planning a renovation, especially in bathrooms or utility areas, it is essential to understand the difference between a shower drain and a floor drain. Though they both manage water drainage, they serve different functions and are built for specific environments. Shower drain. Shower drains are designed specifically for shower enclosures. They handle consistent, directed water flow and are built into a waterproofing system to prevent leaks. Shower drains come in several types, including center drains, linear drains, and tile-in options, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Floor drain. Floor drains are general purpose and typically found in garages, basements, laundry rooms, and commercial areas. They are designed to remove occasional excess water from spills, cleaning, or overflow. These drains usually feature a larger grate and are connected to a trap to block sewer gases. Key differences. Location. Shower drains are used in bathrooms, floor drains appear in utility areas. Function. Shower drains handle regular water flow, floor drains manage incidental drainage. Installation. Shower drains require precise waterproofing, floor drains are simpler but must meet local code for trap and venting. Using the wrong type of drain can lead to serious issues like leaks, odors, or even code violations. Always choose the right drain based on your space's purpose and drainage needs.